Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add dollar transitions to your video edits in CapCut. So the first thing that you need to do is find the dollar transition video on the you can find it on YouTube or maybe TikTok by using the keyword dollar transition green screen. And after that, just open CapCut and import the videos, and then go to overlay and add the green screen dollar transition as overlay. Okay, so I use this one. Click on add, put the video in between the clips. If you want to make it faster, you can just go to speed normal and then speed up the clip to make it shorter. Okay, like this for example. Then after that, get rid of the green screen. You can just adjust the size like this, and then go to cutout, chroma key, then adjust the color picker into the green screen. Okay, now adjust the intensity and also the shadow. And after that, you are done, and this video will be the result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.